Let me tell you, this is a property that has been built to do absolutely nothing. It's those things that you have not done in a while.
Hi, this is Shiv, and I am co-owner of the house on the slope. Once on an adventure, I was going on a cycling expedition from Chalnichina to Jageshwar, and suddenly on a turn, I just saw all five Himalayan peaks, and I just look at them and just oh my goodness, what a beautiful scene is this! There was a thought into my mind, okay, I think I should construct a property over here. So somebody told me there is an old and abandoned house over there and it belongs to a local farmer over there. So I just met with the owner. Anyhow, when we were talking, we just sit on a cup of tea, and somehow he was convinced, and then I took some photos, some pictures, forwarded all my pictures and photos to my partner Ishank. And the moment he saw all the pictures, he said, "Sir, and this is the place what we were really looking for." So this is how we started this journey.
Hi, my name is Ishank, and I'm the co-owner of House on the Slope and the founder at Hush Stays. There was no roads initially to the property. There was only a walking trail which led us down from the road through a pine forest. And as soon as we got to the piece of land, it was a nice slope and followed by a valley. The idea for House on the Slope was always very simple. We wanted it to be grounded, yet at the same time it had to be a very unique structure. And so we decided to use the local material, which is stone. And luckily for us, we found quite a bit of stone there. 3 front walls of the house, if you see, they are all made of stone except for the center, which is glass. Just those 3 walls took about 6 months to come into existence. Now over time there is a road that has been built. It is still a very less frequented road, but now you can reach all the way to the house with your car. And as soon as you park your car, you walk down through the trail that leads to the house eventually. We have a lot of fruit trees. We are growing apple trees. We're growing peach. You will occasionally see a branch tree with red flowers on it. Now let me tell you, the property is spread across 3 levels. There's a top level, there's a middle level, and then there's a lower level. And the lower level is where you enter the property from. It's built on a slope, which is why it's called the House on the Slope. And the entire slope overlooks the snow-covered peaks in the distance. As soon as you enter the property from the main door in the lowest floor, you get to the living room, which is the heart of the property. We have a simple couch that overlooks the glass wall, and there's a dining table that has been kept there. The flooring and the walls, they're all made of stone. Floor is basically made of patal, the local stone found in the Kumaon Hills. Nice wooden stairs that lead up to the second room of the property. Below the wooden stairs, you will find our wood burner. And as soon as you get to the upper floor, that's where we have really worked hard to make sure that a lot of light enters the room. Very big area, very spacious area, and at the same time, it feels cozy to be inside. The upper floor room basically has a glass wall in front. The bed is very special because it's also been made of stone, the base of the bed. There's a washroom right behind the bedroom on the first floor, which is, we made sure that there's a lot of open area in the washroom. Even though we have a bathtub in the washroom, we don't like to use it. The reason for that is that there is a scarcity of water in the hills. And even though that luxury is there, but we try to be conservative with water. Just outside that room on the first floor is where our outdoor dining space has been kept. Adjoining that dining space is our gardens that have been kept as raw as possible to make sure that you have a feeling of being in the forest, as compared to a city villa. You're still in nature. The main idea behind House on the Slope, when we first got there, we found out that it's beautiful scenery that faces the house. And hence, we decided that we want the glass roof and the glass front. The glass roof for the nights, for stargazing, because it's a beautiful, clear night on a winter day. And the entire house, like I said, it's on a slope. Below us, there are multiple terraced fields. To the left, there is just one house in the village which is doing their own farming, so it's a nice view altogether on that side of the property as well. So, in terms of things to do, a lot of our guests ask us what is there to do around. First of all, let me tell you, this is a property that has been built to do absolutely nothing. It's those things that you have not done in a while. The things that you want to do. If you're a painter, if you like painting, this is the right place for you. If you like reading, then find a cozy corner and you will enjoy your time. If you like to go outdoors, if you are the kind of person who likes to hike and explore the outdoors, we have quite a few experiences around. As you walk down from the property, half an hour down the hill on a secluded corner through pine and deodar trees, you get to a section where you see a stream flowing, and as you follow the stream up, you get to a waterfall that's almost invisible to the naked eye. Only if you know about this place, that is when you get here. And another experience close to the house is the Ghantika Devi Mandir, which is again about 30 minutes from the property. That's a hike up, and the USP of that place is the views that you get from there. It's almost a 270-degree view of the surrounding hills, the surrounding mountains, and the place in itself is very peaceful and calm. But if you are to glide over the property, you will see that it's all just lush green terraced fields in the monsoons. It's slightly brownish in the winters, and hence every season at this house is a different vibe. It's a different kind of energy.